learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 厉害. First, let's watch an animation about the word 厉害. 你看那位运动员跑得真快，
确实很厉害。
厉害，厉害是什么意思呀？
在这里，厉害就是很棒，能力很强的意思。
原来是这样。我不小心摔倒了，膝盖好疼。
伤得厉害吗？
咦，你刚刚说厉害是夸人很棒，现在又说伤得厉害，这又是为什么？
这个词用法不一样哦。伤得厉害里的厉害，是指程度很深，情况很严重。
我明白了，同一个词还有不同用法。In the animation just now, we saw that the Chinese word 厉害 has several different meanings in different situations. Today, we will learn all the common usages of 厉害. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 厉害，厉害，厉害. First usage, 他很厉害. To praise someone for being talented, skilled, or excellent. This is the most common meaning of 厉害. Let's read the sentence 3 times together. 他很厉害，他很厉害，他很厉害. Sentence example. 他很厉害 means he is very talented, awesome. We use it to compliment people on their abilities, skills, or excellent performance. Second usage. 伤得厉害 to describe something as serious, intense, or extreme. It is usually used to talk about pain, illness, weather, and other bad conditions. Read with me 3 times. 伤得厉害，伤得厉害，伤得厉害. The phrase 伤得厉害 means the injury is very serious. When we say 疼得厉害, it means it hurts badly. 雨下得厉害 means it rains heavily. Third usage. 不厉害. We also have the negative form 不厉害. Read it 3 times with me. 不厉害，不厉害，不厉害。不厉害 is the opposite of 厉害. It means not good at something, not serious or gentle. For example, 他打球不厉害 means he is not good at playing ball. To sum up, 厉害 is a very practical daily word. It can be used to praise others, describe the serious degree of things, and talk about people's personalities. You can use it in daily conversations very often. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 厉害. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.